So guys, today I'm going to be playing Pacybits, and if you want me to do more videos on this, hit that like button, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway, like my recent Instagram post, and DM me. Once 3 people have entered, I'll announce the giveaway. So yeah. Now I'm just going to open a Rainbow Lights pack, hopefully, to see who I get. Come on, be good, be good, be good, be good, be good, be good, be good. Yes, Gareth Bale. Come on, get in. Well, he's not really. I have him already, but he's good for duplication if anyone wants Gareth Bale. So that's actually a quite pretty good pack. Little pack. Yeah, I'm gonna do the special one. What is this? This game African, Latin America. What is this? If you wanna go download this, link in the description. Okay. Come on, someone good, someone good, someone good. Okay. It is a thing. Oh, it's Team of the Year. It's Bowen. Well, he's 88. I got him already though, so he's better than nothing, I guess. Right, I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a tortilla. Crappy packs. Boring. Another one. Come on, someone good. Yes, come on, it's a flare. Yes, an icon. Schmeichel or yeah, Schmeichel. Dang it, bro. I needed someone else. I don't really want Schmeichel. I want Ronaldinho. Because I have Ronaldinho and Maradona. I still don't have Pele. So, yes. So walk out. Uruguay. Go on. Luis Suarez. PSV. Cavani. Nice. I have him already, I think. Yeah, I do. He's good. Yeah, I think I'll probably use him as a duplicate. Another Totti pack. Another crappy player. Great. Foot champs pack. Why am I getting such a Yago Rodrigo? I need someone good. It's not even a flare. William. Chelsea boy. Oh, William. Chelsea boy. William. Gilk. Gory. Go on.
No.
This is actually really annoying now. Oh, okay, he's decent actually, he's decent, I'll take him. I need some good Shakiri. Please, someone good. Please, someone good. Rodrigo again. Okay, try this back. This must be good. Are you kidding me? I'm so mad right now. I can't get anyone good. Right. This is the worst pack opening ever. I need to get somebody good though. This won't be going on YouTube. Come on. I need this. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, let's go. Come on. Who's it? Inform. Denmark. Tottenham. Christian Eriksen. He's decent. I have the 88 rated of him in form, but I have an 89 now. I'll take it, I guess. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, let's go. 2 in a row. Ooh, my phone's gonna die. Kylian Mbappe. Who's that? Kylian Mbappe is not up strike. Oh my god, he actually is. I guessed it when I saw the French flag. Let's go. Yeah, and it's still more, like, I'd say over 84 rating. 84 rating, I'll say, for this to go on YouTube. And it's really rare to get an 84. 94. That's a really good, though. I'll take him. This is actually getting really annoying now. Balotelli. Give me someone good. Give me someone. Ooh, Timothy Collins. 24 magic and yeah. Come on, come on. Try special packs are normally good. Why is that not good today again? Come on. I feel a special. Yes, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, Timothy. Brazil. Edison, let's go. He's like a 92. 94. Let's go, 94 Edison. That's decent. Oh, that is honestly so good. Okay. Duh, Martial. Come on. I feel a special coming. I feel a special. I need someone good. I need someone good to wrap off this. Come on. I know you want to. Is there someone on time? Mahrez? Bronze? No way. Yuck. For champs, I meant to press. Come on. Come on. Are you kidding me? Ronaldo. Yes. Ooh. Come on, bro. Special. Come on. I feel a special. Oh, nice. 86 Varane. That's really good, actually. I can't believe I skipped that, actually. Okay, I'm skipping everyone now. This is really annoying. Come on. Come on. Someone good. Yes, come on. Finally a special. Come on. Buffon, are you kidding me? Italian Buffon. Oh no, it's not. Come on. Come on. Crappy. I'm getting really bad players now. Come on. Last pack. Come on. Come on. Come on. End it off with a good special. Oh, it's a special. Oh, it's gold. Yeah. Or black. What is he? 88? 90? What is he? 90. Nice. 90 or black. Okay. Well, yeah. Now we're going to move on to trading. And my mic is getting muted. I think this is the part when the guy gave me 10 million. 10 million, I think, for all of them. Yeah, it was 10 million. Come on, bro. I know you wanted to. I want 10 million. No, it's not the guy. He left. Oh, there is a guy, though, that gives me 10 million. Spoilers. Okay, I'm not as cheap as Chips. But look at this guy. He gave me 10 million for these 3 players, and they're crappy. And he accepted it. And there's where I'm gonna end my talking for the video. Yeah. Remember to turn post notifications on.